Hey kindergarten! Today you are going to be making finger painted sunflowers. This is a picture of a real sunflower, but I wanted to print it out so you could see what they look like. If you notice, the center is a circle, and the petals coming out from that circle are kind of like big fat lines. You notice I can kind of trace them with my finger. And that's important for when we actually paint our sunflowers because we're going to be using our finger, and the way that it is shaped, like the circle, is the way our finger is going to go. So like lines for the petals. So you're going to get a white sheet of paper, and I'm going to actually come around with some yellow paint, and I'm just going to draw, drizzle, I guess, a yellow circle on your paper. And what you're going to do is take your finger, just one finger, you're going to stick it in the middle of that circle, and you're going to kind of drag that paint out. And you're going to do this all around. So if it's easier to turn the paper, you can do that. If you're good with using your finger in one spot, you can keep it still. All right, I'm gonna look at it. You can add some more petals. I wanna add some more. I wanna make my sunflower big. So I just keep pulling that paint out. But it's totally up to you how you wanna make your sunflower. If you want a smaller sunflower, that's totally fine. That's up to you. It's your sunflower, so make it however you would like it to be. All right, I'm happy with that. But my finger's got paint on it. So you're gonna have a paper towel. What you're gonna do is clean off your finger on that paper towel before picking your next color. As you can see, we have some orange, brown, and green paints. So I wanna add some orange in my sunflower. You do not have to do this. If you like your sunflower yellow, that's 100% fine. But I'm gonna add some orange. So how I'm gonna do that is dipping my finger in the orange. I'm going to go from the center and drag it out, just like I did with that yellow paint. And get a little bit more orange here until I'm happy. Just like I did with the yellow, same thing. But notice I'm not really going all the way to the edge with the orange paint, because remember that sunflower I showed you, the orange was kind of just in the middle. It didn't go all the way out to the ends. Okay, so you can see I have yellow on the outside here and then orange in the center. Again, taking my finger, cleaning it off with my paper towel. Now I'm going to dip it in the brown paint for the center. Remember that center was round, so you're going to go round and round to make that center. Now sometimes it might get a little mixed up with the paint, and you might have to add a little bit more. Cleaning off my finger again, adding in some brown to darken it up a little, just like so. Okay, so once I'm happy with it, now I'm going to move on to the stem and the grass. So I'm going to slide this up so you can see. I'm going to dip my finger in the green. Stem is a line, so I'm painting a line, and then leaves are just like lines, just like the petals, so I'm going to paint on some leaves, and grass is lines, so I'm going to paint some grass too. Totally up to you what you want to add. If you want to add grass, awesome. If you don't, awesome too. It's totally up to you, whatever you like. If you want to add in some other stuff, I don't know, maybe you want to add in some green drops of rain, you can do that just to make it a little more fun, okay? Or maybe you want to add in all different color. Maybe some of the petals flew away and you want to add in some orange dots for the petals. You can do that too. Just makes it look like sprinkles. And once you are all happy with it, you are going to raise your hand, let me know that you are all done, and I will come collect it and put it on the drying rack so it can dry and you can take it home. Look at that beautiful sunflower. I can't wait to see what you guys do, kindergarten. Have fun with it.